Sometimes when we draw a plan or a different subject, a subject is not unique. It means line, polyline, arc. It's not continuous with together. It's not a unique. So how we can change it, how we can unique it with together. In this training, I will show you how you can make a unique shape and how you can change it to 3D modeling. First of all, I'm going to the start drawing. When we open AutoCAD, we have to change to the 3D view. In 3D view, we have X direction, Y direction, and Z direction. If I draw a line is continuous. And if I change it to the 3D shape, we receive a surface. It's not a volume of solid modeling. And we face with a mesh. So if I draw a rectangular, then I get a copy. Then I move it to the X direction. I will get another copy. In first subject, each part is not put together. It means it's not unique. So how we can see when we extrude it in a Z direction? Let's see in a extrude view or extrude mode. You can see we have a surface. If I change it to the realistic and I type orbit in a command line, from two sides we have a open view. And when I click to the each part, I will see a surface. But how can I make a unique for this rectangular? We have a two command, which is boundary and region. If I type a view, which is the macro of boundary, in a command line, I will show and I will face with the boundary creation window. So I pick a point, then I enter to the inside of the rectangular. So then I click to the enter. Okay. Another command is region. When I click to the each part of the rectangle, I will face with the unique part. But what's the difference between boundary and region? Let's move. Okay, you can see this one is boundary, this one is region. The boundary command makes a unique part with the keep of the old subject, which is not a unique with together. But for region parts, when we want to get the unique parts, change the unique part with the previous subjects. You can see when I move this one, we don't have a previous subject. Okay. Then after that, when we want to do the extrusion, I click to the extrude. We have a solid volume or solid cube. Okay. In this training, I prepare a piece of industrial drawing, which I want to show you how can I change it to the 3D modeling and how I can do editing on this piece of industrial drawing. So I will open a sample. Okay, I have two parts and none of them is not unique. So first of all, I have to do a boundary with the region command for both parts. Okay, you can see it's a unique. After that, I will doing extrusion with the height of 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Then I'm doing extrusion for a circle. I can do with the extrude or I can do with the press pull. If you click to the press wheel, you can see you can extrude with a certain distance, which is 15 centimeter, and also this one 15 centimeter, this one 15 centimeter, and for this one okay. After that, I can see in a X-ray. You can see the circle also is a solid volume. So I have to do the subtraction from the inside of the, we can say, U modeling. So I click to the subtract. I'm choosing first model, then I click to the enter, then I'm choosing cylinder. Then I click enter. When I enter orbit to the command line, you can see we have a hole. And for this one also it's the same. Okay, after that I want to do an editing on these two modeling. So I'm going to the solid editing. I click to the fillet edge. Fillet edge gives us a curve in the corner. So I click to the fillet edge, then after that in command line I enter radius. Then I enter 10. You can see when I click to the corner. If you keep the shift and scroll on the mouse, you can rotate view. Then I click enter. And for this one, I'm doing a chamfer. Chamfer, you have to enter distance. Then after that, you have to enter 5 for distance number 1 and for distance number 2. Then you have to choose corner. There is a difference between fillet edge and chamfer edge. In fillet edge, you can choose each corner for each subject, but in chamfer edge, just when you choose one corner, then you have to do enter and you have to restart the command again. Like this shape, I'm doing chamfer edge again. I'm choosing D and 5 for distance number 1, and for distance number 2, 5. Enter orbit. Again, for this corner, D, 5 and 5. And for middle, I enter 2.5 for distance for each direction. In visual style, I'm changing to the realistic. You can see if I click to the top, you can see from the top. If I click to the thumbs, you can see subject from the front view. If I click to the 2D wireframe, you can see from 2D wireframe. If I click to the sketchy, you can see from the sketchy. I'm choosing realistic. If I click to the right, you can see to the right from the back and from the left. Again, I click to the home, you can see from isometric view. I hope this training will make all the comments for editing and you enjoy from this training. Thank you very much.